the WHO, or the World Health Organization, has recommended a new vaccine, MR21 and Matrix M, for the prevention of malaria in children. The recommendation follows advice from the organization's strategic advisory group of experts on immunization and the malaria policy advisory group, and was endorsed by the Director General following its regular annual meeting held between the 25th to 29 September. WHO asserted the vaccine is safe and its safety monitoring will be continual. Maria Macham has more details of that in this report.
Due to the unprecedented demand for a new malaria vaccine, the World Health Organization on Monday recommended a second vaccine called R21 Matrix M, which is expected to boost supply. Malaria is an acute febrile illness caused by Plasmodium parasites, which are spread to people through the bites of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. It is exactly 2 years since WHO recommended the use of the world's first malaria vaccine called RTSS. The World Health Organization's Director General, Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, said the vaccine will prevent children at risk of malaria disease as well as ensure that it is safe and costless.
The trials showed the vaccine to be safe, and safety monitoring will continue as the vaccine is rolled out. At a cost of between $2 and $4 a dose, it's comparable with other recommended malaria interventions and other childhood vaccines. As a malaria researcher, I used to dream of the day when we would have a safe and effective vaccine against malaria. Now we have two.
Dr. Ghebreyesus added that the world remains at risk of malaria, saying the vaccine is an important addition to protect children from malaria.
Nearly half the world's population remains at risk of malaria. In 2021, there were an estimated 247 million cases of malaria and 619,000 deaths. 95% of cases and deaths are in Africa, and most deaths are in children under 5. Demand for the RTSS vaccine far exceeds supply. So the R21 vaccine is a vital additional tool to protect more children faster and to bring us closer to our vision of a malaria-free world.
The R21 malaria vaccine was designed and developed at the University of Oxford and is manufactured by the Serum Institute of India. Clinical testing of the vaccine began in 2015. Clinical trials have been conducted or are ongoing in 6 African countries. It has now been recommended for use by the WHO and awaits a decision on pre-qualification. R21 has been granted an export license by India and approved by the regulatory authorities of Burkina Faso, Ghana, and Nigeria. Reporting for Eyeafrica News, I am Maria Jammeh.